Disapproval of Elon Musk top reason why Tesla Model 3 owners jumped ship. The top reason why Tesla Model 3 owners sold their cars and replaced them with a model from another brand is the disapproval of the company's CEO. Elon Musk, a survey of 5,000 verified owners conducted by Bloomberg has revealed. Among those questioned, 21.5% said that the outspoken head honcho led them to jump ship and choose another marque for their next vehicle. While concerns about the quality of the cars or the service are the second reason why Model 3 owners sold their EVs, with 18.7%. The third reason why people sold their Model 3s and went a different way is that they were unhappy with the company's brand perception, 17.8%. I love the vehicles but do not want to support someone who has such vitriol and low opinion of the very people who have made Tesla a success, one customer said. At the same time, however, it's worth noting that the same Bloomberg survey shows most Tesla Model 3 owners are very happy with their purchase, with 75% of those questioned about their plans for buying a new car in the next 2 years saying that they're considering another Tesla. The upcoming Cybertruck is the most popular choice, with the Model Y in second place, and the Model 3 in third place. Check out our podcast First Tesla Cybertruck Built, Ford F-150 Lightning Price. Hyundai Ioniq 5N debuts, battery swapping with ample. The survey shows that there's a clear relationship between Tesla owners' opinion of its CEO and whether they'd stick with the brand in the future or not, with 96% of owners with positive views of Musk saying they'd buy a Tesla again, while 91% of owners who said they wouldn't buy another Tesla vehicle had unfavorable opinions about the CEO. As per Bloomberg, after answering a dozen questions about the chief operating officer, Tesla owners were given a chance to submit comments about him. "I'd prefer he not be so tied to the image of Tesla," said one owner who disapproves of Musk. "I don't want my car to be an Elon Musk conversation starter." At the same time, one person who doesn't see the CEO as a deal breaker had this to say. "He is a brilliant and very well-intentioned person. Maybe not the most astute or clever in politics or the best diplomatic speaker. His words sometimes do get misrepresented, or possibly he does not think about how they can be twisted around. But his intentions are all good." Source: reposted and summarized from Yulia Nistrin at Inside EVS.